and the term arbitration is limited to the proceedings before the labor arbiter. It does not include the appeal to the NLRC. Let's now go to the original and exclusive jurisdiction of labor arbiters. Labor arbiters have original and exclusive jurisdiction over unfair labor practices, termination disputes, money claims of workers exceeding 5,000 pesos, money claims of workers regardless of the amount if there is a prayer for reinstatement, disputes pertaining to legality of strikes and lockouts, claims for damages arising from employer-employee relations, and other claims arising from employer-employee relations except claims for employees' compensation, social security, field health, and maternity benefits. Labor arbiters also have jurisdiction over wage distortion disputes in unorganized establishment, as well as money claims of overseas Filipino workers. To fall within the jurisdiction of the labor arbiter, the dispute must arise from employer-employee relationship, or must at least have a reasonable causal connection with employer-employee relationship. This is what we call the reasonable causal connection doctrine. A claim is said to have a reasonable causal connection with employer-employee relationship if the principal relief sought can be resolved only by reference to the labor code or other labor laws, and not by the general civil law. So,